Samir, see the first question. Here we have some triangles. Just observe these triangles and then tell me what will be the next one. If you see this pattern, we have red triangle, green triangle, then blue triangle. Red triangle, green triangle. After that, what will come? What?
Rectangle.
You have to see the pattern now. What is the pattern here? Red, green, blue. After that, red, green. What will come?
Blue.
Blue. Is this the correct option?
Yes.
Okay. Here you can see a cat, then dog, cat, dog. After that, what will come? Cat. Okay. Cat. And after that,
Dog.
dog. Now you have to look at this pattern. Here we have square, then circle, then triangle. Square, circle. After that,
Triangle.
triangle. And after triangle, what will come?
Square.
Square. Okay. Here we have dog, dog, cat, cat. Dog, dog. After that,
Cat.
cat, cat. Let's check the answer. Yay, Samir got 7 out of 7. Very good, Samir. Yay.
7. 10 out of 7.